The Las Vegas urgent care market is shaped by unique patient behaviors, strong competition, and seasonal demand spikes due to tourism and local events. Most patients search on mobile for immediate solutions using terms like walk-in clinic near me or after-hours urgent care, making local visibility in search maps and packs essential. Competing clinics range from national chains to local independents, so standing out means highlighting specialties, extended hours, and excellent patient experiences. Seasonal tourism surges, like conventions or sports events, cause urgent care searches to spike, especially from visitors seeking care near major landmarks or hotels. To capture this demand, clinics should adjust content and ad campaigns to include seasonal, location-specific messaging. A successful SEO strategy balances high-intent local keywords with long-tail phrases, such as evening urgent care near Summerlin or urgent care for sports injuries in Henderson. Service pages and FAQs should address these specifics and answer common patient questions. On-page optimization, fast mobile experiences, clear local information, and structured data all boost visibility. Consistent Google business profiles, positive reviews, and accurate listings across directories strengthen local trust and rankings. By aligning SEO and PPC, urgent care clinics in Las Vegas can efficiently attract and convert both residents and tourists.